Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Iron Man balloon is probably one of the most iconic and visually striking decorations you can add to any Marvel fan's party or room, bringing a touch of superhero flair and vibrant energy that's sure to impress guests and create a memorable atmosphere, making it a fantastic centerpiece or addition to a themed event that captures the essence of Tony Stark's legendary suit. Number 5. PartyWoo 100 PCS 12-inch Pastel White Balloons. Introducing our 100-piece pack of 12-inch white balloons. Their solid, consistent color brings vibrant energy to any event, making your decorations truly stand out. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your celebration. With standard balloon necks, inflation and tying are quick and easy. You can effortlessly create balloon arches, walls, bouquets, or table arrangements, saving you valuable time. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, including weddings, baby showers, birthdays, bridal showers, graduations, and engagements. They add a memorable touch to any event. Use them to add a vibrant touch and make your party bright. They are designed to enhance any theme and create a festive atmosphere for your guests. Please do not overfill them, and avoid direct sunlight, excessive heat, or sharp objects. Control the inflation to achieve your desired size for the perfect look. What we like. If you're aiming for a classic and elegant party atmosphere, these white balloons are your go-to. Their consistent color and durable material ensure a polished look that lasts. They are perfect for creating stunning balloon arches and garlands for weddings or baby showers, offering a timeless appeal. What people say. The Iron Man balloon is a fantastic addition to any superhero-themed party, with its vibrant colors and detailed design that truly captures the essence of the character. This Iron Man balloon is surprisingly durable and holds its shape well throughout the event, making it a reliable decoration that won't deflate prematurely. Kids absolutely love the Iron Man balloon. It was the centerpiece of the decorations and added a fun, dynamic element to the party atmosphere. Number 4. PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate any celebration with our versatile black balloon kit. Perfect for birthdays, baby showers, graduations, and more, these balloons add a touch of elegance to any event. This kit includes a range of sizes from 5 to 18 inches, allowing for creative and dynamic balloon arrangements. Craft stunning arches and garlands with ease. Made from thick, durable latex, these balloons maintain their shape and fullness for extended periods. Ensure your decorations look perfect throughout the entire event. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of enjoyment, or with helium for a floating effect. They are designed for quick and easy setup. While we encourage fun, please avoid overfilling or exposing them to extreme conditions. Control the inflation for the perfect size and enjoy your party worry-free. From casino nights to retirement parties, these balloons are the ideal choice to make your decorations memorable and impressive. What we like. For those who love a dramatic and sophisticated party vibe, consider these black balloons. The variety of sizes allows for dynamic and eye-catching balloon arrangements, ideal for themed events like casino nights or anniversaries. If you want to add a bold statement to your decorations, these are the ones to choose. What people say. The balloon is large and impressive, perfect for a themed party. It's made of durable material and holds air well, lasting for the entire event. The design is very accurate to the Iron Man character, with vibrant colors. Number 3. Marvel Superhero Adventures Iron Man Pillow Buddy. Introducing the Marvel Superhero Adventures Iron Man Pillow Buddy. It's super soft and perfect for cuddling, making it an ideal companion for your little one. Made from 100% polyester microfiber, this pillow buddy offers great support and comfort. It's perfect for snuggling up with at home, in the car, or at school. This durable pillow buddy is designed for endless hugs and adventures. It's easy to care for and will quickly become a cherished part of your child's life. Great for playtime, nap time, or bedtime, this pillow buddy is sure to be a hit. It's the perfect gift for any young Marvel fan, ready to join the family. Collect this unique Iron Man pillow buddy and complete your superhero adventures collection. Enhance your child's room with coordinating bedding and accessories. From a family company that values innovation and inspiration, we bring you high-quality, non-toxic products. We're proud to offer unique items that spark imagination. What we like. If you're looking for a comforting companion for a young Marvel fan, this Iron Man pillow buddy is perfect. Its super soft material makes it ideal for cuddling during car rides or bedtime. It's a great way to bring a favorite superhero into a child's everyday life, offering both comfort and imaginative play. What people say. The balloon is large and impressive, perfect for a themed party. It holds helium well and stayed inflated for several days. The design is very accurate to the Iron Man suit, kids loved it. Number 2. Anagram MD26 Avengers Captain America Balloon. Bring the ultimate hero to your celebration with this Captain America themed balloon. It's the perfect centerpiece for any fan's birthday bash. This self-sealing mylar balloon is designed for effortless inflation. It's ready to add a heroic touch to any event. Use it alone or as part of stunning balloon bouquets, columns, and arches. Its versatility makes decorating a breeze. Beyond birthdays, this balloon is fantastic for Valentine's Day, weddings, holidays, and so much more. It's a versatile decoration for any special event. Show your appreciation for the first Avenger with this eye-catching decoration. It's sure to be a hit with fans of all ages. Make your next party legendary with this Captain America balloon. It's the perfect way to add a touch of heroic excitement to your decorations. What we like. For a special touch at birthday parties or any Avengers-themed celebration, this Captain America mylar balloon is a fantastic choice. Its large size and self-sealing feature make it easy to use in bouquets or as a standalone decoration. If you want to add a pop of superhero flair that lasts, this is a great option. What people say. The balloon is shaped like Iron Man, which is a great visual appeal for fans. It's a good size for a party decoration, not too small and not overwhelmingly large. The material seems durable and holds air well, making it suitable for extended use during an event. Number 1. Marvel Avengers Punch Balloon Ball. Get ready for action with these awesome Marvel Avengers Punch balloons. Featuring your favorite heroes like Hulk, Iron Man, and Spider-Man, they're perfect for hours of fun. These aren't just any balloons, they inflate up to a huge 16 inches. Each pack includes multiple balloons, ensuring there's plenty of heroic fun to go around. Made with high-quality, non-toxic rubber, these balloons are built to last. The easy grip handle makes them perfect for little hands to hold and punch. Need to blow off some steam? These bouncy companions are great for stress relief and encourage active outdoor play for kids and adults alike. With their bright, neon colors, these superhero-themed balloons add a sensory element to playtime. They're designed for long-lasting fun and engagement. Looking for party favors or decorations? These punch balloons are ideal for birthdays, goodie bags, piñatas, and classroom prizes. They're a guaranteed hit. What we like. If you need a fun and active toy for kids that also doubles as a party decoration, these punch balloons are ideal. They encourage physical activity and provide stress relief for both children and adults. Perfect for goodie bags or as a fun addition to any superhero-themed party, they offer hours of energetic entertainment. What people say. The balloon is large and has a great design. It was easy to inflate and stayed inflated for a long time. The colors are vibrant and the details on the suit are impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.